The 1969 Ford Mustang RTR-X by Vaughn Gittin Jr. It took a few months of prep work and development, but now, finally, Vaughn Gittin Jr.'s 1969 Ford Mustang RTR-X is ready for its full close-up at SEMA. The car, which was born out of a collaboration between Gittin Jr., Mustang RTR, and Need for Speed, is the perfect case of an iconic car being given a state-of-the-art refresher. Powered by a 5.0-liter Ford V8 engine, the '69 Mustang was given a dose of modern technology, including a Kinsler individual throttle body injection system, a MoTeC M800 ECU, a Ford Racing Boss 301R1 6-speed transmission, and a set of Falken RT615-K racing tires. Add all these new parts to an iconic Mustang body and you have a car that transcends both time and taste buds. Update: the 7th of November 2011, the Ford Mustang RTR-X by Vaughn Gittin Jr. was such a hit at the 2010 SEMA Show, that it made its second appearance at the 2011 SEMA Auto Show. Check out our live images from the event in the egallery provided. Continued after the jump. In addition, fans also got a chance to get involved in the whole building process as they were given a chance to choose what color the Mustang RTR comes in. After hearing over 1,000 feedbacks, the team decided to go with the ash gray and green color scheme. Needless to say, the man whose name appears on the billing was more than impressed with how the Mustang RTR turned out. It is very flattering that Need for Speed really gets my vision for the car, Mustang RTR, and are embracing it just as Ford and Ford Racing have, Gittin Jr. said. Not only am I overly excited to drive the RTR-X, but I am equally excited for the entire world to be able to get behind the wheel of the RTR-X virtually in upcoming Need for Speed video games, he added. The car is set to make its debut at SEMA, at which time we're finally going to get a close-up look at the car that we've been waiting for months to get launched.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.